Hey everyone, welcome back. This week we explain to you one of the features of GridPro on how to generate a grid for a partial topology group. Often when working with large topologies, it might be difficult to generate the entire grid as a single file. So we can split the topology into groups and generate the grids separately and weld the grids together. In this video, we will learn how we can generate grids separately for partial topology and how to work efficiently with large cases. Here I'm explaining this feature using the platform case. Since the topology is a larger file, the grid generation process would take a considerable amount of time. To reduce this and ease the process, I grouped the topology representing the impeller and casing into a corner group, say C3. I closed the topology by adding planes on the faces of the outer region and assigning them. Now let's see how we can run only this portion of the topology. In the global DAO, in the GGrid section, select the drop-down option near GGrid and select Start Euler. It shows a message, Topology is invalid. Would you like to run a corner group? Click Continue, and this opens the Grid Schedule dialog box, where the Input Group option is active, and we select the corner group where we have stored the corners, and then run GGrid. Now we can view the grid. We have generated grid for the required section. Similarly, we can do for the other regions and weld them together after generating all the grids. To summarize, in GridPro, we can reduce the grid generation time by using the partial groups and get a good quality grid and simplify the grid generation process for larger cases. With this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometries, you could write to us on support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos. Follow us on our social media pages. The links are posted in the description.